Okay, last of the three big ones, we did Microsoft, Google, now we have Apple. And gonna review the iOS 17. Obviously, Apple is all about the licensing. Quite a few components. Let's have a look. Look lean, not sure. Obviously, it's gonna be well done with. I've noticed usually Apple keeps it up to date with all the latest Figma features, probably not variables yet. So on update is on its way, but it's good that they have all the components that you would need, and even if you want to redo them, at least you have the correct measurements and stuff like that. Apple used to do only like Figma because they don't really work in the cloud, and they use Sketch more. So yeah, quite surprising they're releasing this, to be honest. Good step forward. They also have like spatial kits and stuff like that. I didn't look into it too much. The Mac OS, again, it's just not that popular. They don't have a WebKit yet. Who knows, maybe in the future. But yeah, if you need like a default iOS app and you need a quick design system, yes, this is the one. Also, you could borrow a lot of the components and just customize them as you need. And then the developers will have an easier time implementing. At least that's from my experience. Yeah, bunch of templates as you'd expect. You can test all your apps here, so you can just grab these components. Nothing really mind-blowing, just because Apple keeps it like very simple. They don't share like all their apps, like the news app and stuff like that, but you have all the elements that you need showcase and test your app. Yeah, all in all, it's a good design system. You have both colors, dark and white. Probably in the future, they're gonna add the variables so we can actually do light and dark mode simpler. But for them, it usually takes a couple of months to update this properly. So probably with iOS 18, they're going to do it. I'm not even sure if they're going to bother with this one. But yeah, again, really well done, attention to details, just a bunch of components and not optimized for Figma. I imagine this would be super slow if you use it as default. So I would just grab components and create a separate library and keep adding components as I need them to keep it light and snappy.